Yeah, welcome to the new session of your vector calculus. So, in the continuation of the last previous session, we'll continue the problems. So, let me take the problem based upon that. Yeah. So, if f bar is equivalent to xy square I bar plus 2x square yz j bar minus 3yz square k bar, then find divergence and curl. Find divergence and curl at 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. This is the question, right? So the given f bar is this one, and they are asking a divergence and curl. So you know what divergence and curl. So they given what my f bar is equivalent to what, generally you will have it as what, f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar. Am I right or not? So now let me compare this. You will have it as what there. This is your f1, f2 and f3. So divergence. Usually your divergence of f bar will be what? Dou by dou x of f1 plus dou by dou y f2 plus dou by dou z f3 will be there. So now directly substitute this. You will have it as what? Dou by dou x of f1 will be what, ma? xy square plus dou by dou y of what? f2 will be 2x square yz. Next plus dou by dou z of f3, which is minus 3y z square. So do the differentiation. There is a partial differentiation here. Do that partial differentiation. This is your divergence of f. So do that partial differentiation, ma. With respect to x, you will have y square. Then for this, with respect to y, you will have it as what? 2x square z. Next plus, sorry, this is minus will be there. So with respect to z means what? Minus 6y z. Am I right or not? So this is your divergence of f bar. And they are asking what, ma? Divergence of f bar at what? Which point? 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 point. Just directly substitute these values. This is x, y and z. Substitute these values, ma. So y minus 1 square plus 2 into x will be 1 square. Z is what? 1. Minus 6 into y is minus 1. Z is 1. So solve it. Minus 1 square 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, which is what? How much? 1 plus 2 plus 6. 3 plus 6, which is how much, ma? Yeah, 9 you will have it as. Am I correct or not? So this is divergence at a point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1. Similarly, can you try the same for your curl also? So usually curl will be what, ma? Curl f bar is nothing but what? Curl f bar is equivalent to I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. This will be what, ma? f1, f2, f3. This is actually the curl. Am I right or not? So now substitute these values. Substitute the values. I bar, j bar, k bar, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then f1, f2, f3, ma. So what is your f1, f2, f3? f1 will be what? xy square. f2 will be 2x square yz. f3 will be minus 3y z square. Yeah, this is the part of this one. So now do that integral value, ma. So let me take that integration. How you will do it as I bar into dou y of this one. So which is nothing but what? Minus 3 z square minus dou z above this one. So you'll have it as what? 2x square y. Next minus j bar into this x. You don't have any term. Next dou by dou z. You don't have any term. Am I right or not? Yeah. Plus k bar into, with respect to x, 4xyz minus 2xy will be there. So this is the part. So this is your curl f bar. But they are asked curl f bar at a point. Curl f bar at a point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 they are asking. So substitute all these values. Maybe you will have the answer as, if you substitute this, ma, I'm just giving directly answer. Curl of f bar I minus 2k bar will be there. Sorry, minus I minus 2k bar. This is known thing only, just substitution of that value. That's all. Nothing more than that. Clear? Yeah. So this is how you people have to calculate the curl as well as your divergence. Next problem. If f bar is equivalent to x square minus yz into I bar plus y square minus xz into j bar plus z square minus xy into k bar. Okay. Similarly, then find divergence and curl at a point 1, 1, 1. This is the question. So try to do that. I'm just giving this as a homework for you guys. I'm just giving a homework. Okay. So try this ma. I'm just giving this as a homework. Okay. So you will have it as what? I'm just giving answers. Divergence of f bar at a point 1, 1, 1, which is equivalent to, you will have 6. Then similarly curl f bar at a point 1, 1, is, you will have it as a 0. So check it out. These are the answers. Clear? Yeah. So take that as a homework. Try to solve it ma. Same as is of your earlier problem. Yeah. Let me take next one more problem. Yeah. The value of lambda such that the vector lambda into x square ma, lambda into x square y plus yz into I bar plus x into y square minus x into z square into j bar plus 2xyz minus 2x square y square into k bar is solenoidal. Right? So then what is that? So there are given values. Lambda is 2, which is a 4, c minus 2, d will be minus 4. This is the question mark. So you know that what do you mean by the solenoidal? They given the vector, right? So solenoidal means what ma? What do you mean by the solenoidal? What? Divergence is equivalent to 0, right? So divergence, solenoidal means, solenoidal vector means what? Divergence. So del dot f bar, which is equivalent to 0. So calculate del dot f bar and make it equivalent to 0. So this is your f1, f2, f3. Yeah. So del dot f bar is equivalent to what ma? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. So try to solve it. Substitute it. So dou by dou x into lambda x square y plus yz plus dou by dou y into xy square minus xz square plus dou by dou z into 2xyz minus 2x square y square ma. So try to solve this. Try to solve that. What do people have it as? Yes, dou by dou x with respect to this one. So 2 lambda xy then this one plus 2xy, that is 0, you don't have y terms. Next z terms it is having plus 2xy, that's all. So this is your del dot f bar. So if you make this is equivalent to 0, you will have it as what ma? So 2xy, if I take it as a common, I'll have here what? Lambda plus what? Or you can do thing 2 lambda xy plus 4xy is equivalent to 0, you take it as. So 2 lambda xy is equivalent to 4xy, you do it as xy, 2xy. So now from this lambda is equivalent to what ma? Sorry, this is minus na, yeah. From this lambda value will be what? Minus 2 will be there. So this is how you people have to calculate. So option C is the right answer for that. Clear? Clear with my point? So that is how you need to calculate the problem. Am I right? Yeah. Next problem. If the vector, next problem, if the vector f bar is equivalent to x plus 2y minus az into y bar plus bx minus 3y plus 4z into j bar plus x minus cy plus 5z into k bar is irrotational. Then a comma b comma c are. Then a comma b comma c are. So same strategy ma. Irrotational means what? Del cross f bar, that is curl. Del cross f bar is equal to 0. So calculate the curl and make it equal to 0. Give me the answer for that. So take down that. Yeah, let me take what they are given in this problem ma. So irrotational means what? Curl f bar is equal to 0. So curl means what? So determinant you will calculate it as. So this is f1, f2 and f3. So try to calculate the curl for this. So del cross f bar is equivalent to what ma? I bar, j bar, k bar. For this, what you will have? Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Yeah, my x value will be, this is x plus 2y minus az. Next this one, bx minus 3y plus 4z. Next one will be what ma? X minus cy plus 5z. So for this you have to calculate the determinant and you have to make it equivalent to 0. So let me calculate this. What you will have? So I into, this one with respect to y, which is minus c, z means plus 4, minus j bar into what ma? 1 minus half minus plus a. Am I right or not? Yeah. Next k bar into b minus 2. Right, this you have to make it as equivalent to 0. So now if I make it equal to 0, what you will get it as ma? From this, minus c plus 4 is equivalent to 0, c is equivalent to 4. Next, from this, 1 plus a is equivalent to 0, a is equivalent to minus 1. Then similarly, b minus 2 is equal to 0, b is what? 2. So these are the a value, b value and c value. This is how you people have to calculate it as. Clear with my point? Yes or no? So a is minus 1, b is 2, c is minus 4 ma. Right? Yeah. Next. So can you solve the problems based upon that? Yeah. Next problem. If pi of x comma y comma z is equivalent to x y z ma, then del pi is option A solenoidal, option B irrotational, C both A and B, D will be none of the above. So now they are asking what? They given pi of x comma y comma z as x y z and with respect to del pi they are asking. Am I correct or not? So let me take that. So what is del phi? First you need to calculate del phi ma. Del phi is equal to what? Dou pi by dou x into I bar plus dou pi by dou y into j bar plus dou pi by dou z into k bar. First calculate that. Dou pi by dou x yz into I bar plus dou pi by dou y xz into j bar plus dou pi by dou z what? Xy into k bar. This is what my your del phi. So they are asking what? With respect to del phi, whether it is gradient or sorry, whether it is a solenoidal or what, the rotation they are asking. So try to check it out here. You know what, with respect to this you have to take it as yeah. First calculate what, divergence. First calculate the divergence. Yeah, what is the divergence of del pi, which is equivalent to what del dot del phi. So what is this divergence of del pi? If you check it your results, if you check it divergence of del phi, that you know that directly this value will be what, no need to calculate, from the results this will be 0. So no need to calculate from vector identities, directly you can tell this point. From vector identities you can tell it as. Am I right or not? Next one, next you need to calculate what, the curl of del phi, that is nothing but what del cross, yeah, del phi you need to calculate it as. For this you have to calculate it as. So let me check it out. This is your f1, f2, f3. So you will have here what, I, j, k, I bar, j bar, k bar will be there. So dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. So f1 will be what yz, xz, xy. Am I right or not? Yeah. So now if you calculate this, again this will makes you what check it out, which is 0. So hence what, this is already solenoidal from that, and this is what irrotational. So hence the option is what, both A and B are the correct for this. Am I right or not? So this will be the answer for that. Clear at my point? Yes? Yeah. Will you able to solve the problem based upon that? So that is the question for the corresponding thing. Yeah, next problem. Next problem now. Next problem. If f bar is equivalent to, if f bar is equivalent to 5x square I bar minus of 7z square plus 2y into j bar plus 4xz square into k bar, then the value of del dot del cross f bar at 3 comma minus 7 comma 2 is dash. This is the question mark. So how you people will solve this? Again, what is the answer for that now? Yeah, by observing here, it is again your vector what, the identity. So from vector identity that value will be what directly, it is 0. So from vector, you can check it out. From vector identities, that value directly 0. You can check it out, cross verify it as, so that you people will have an idea. Okay. Yeah, you just try to cross verify that. Clear? Yeah, so this is about the particular analysis. Yeah, next one. Next problem. The divergence of the vector. Next problem. The divergence of the vector field. The divergence of the vector field u bar is equivalent to e power x into cos y I bar plus sin y j bar is option A 0, B e power x cos y plus e power x sin y, C 2 e power x cos y, D 2 e power x sin y. This is the question they are asking. They asked what divergence of the vector field. So divergence means what? Divergence means what del dot u bar. So which is nothing but what? Dou u1 by, see only two functions they had given. This is u1, this is what ma? u2. So dou u1 by dou x plus dou u2 by dou y. So which is equivalent to dou by dou x into u1 e power x cos y plus dou by dou y e power x sin y will be there. So just try to do that differentiation. Dou by dou x of this one. So you will have it as what? My e power x cos y. Next, with respect to y, you will have it as what again? E power x cos y will be there. So which is 2 e power x cos y. So this is the answer. So which option? Option C is the right answer. Clear with my point? So these are all the previous questions. That is the reason why I am solving this. Next problem. Next problem. The divergence of the vector field. The divergence of the vector field V is equivalent to x square I bar plus 2y cube j bar plus z power 4 k bar at x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3 is dash. Yeah, that is the question. So divergence of the vector field V is equal to x square I bar plus 2y j bar 2y cube j bar plus z power 4 k bar they asked. Am I correct or not? So divergence means what? Again you know that what? Divergence means what? Del dot V bar. So that is divergence is what? Del dot V, which is equivalent to what? So dou V1 by dou x plus dou V2 by dou y plus dou V3 by dou z. So which is equivalent to dou by dou x into x square plus dou by dou y into 2y cube plus dou by dou z into z power 4. So now if I do this, what I'll get as here? 2x, yeah, plus 6y square plus 4z cube. This is del dot v. They given the point as what? Del dot v at 1, 2, 3. So just substitute this one. 2 into 1 plus 6 into 2 square plus 4 into 3 cube. So just calculate this value. How much you will get it as? How much you will get it? So just calculate that value and tell me that answer. So you will have around 134. I think so. You will have the answer as 134. So try to check it out. That is the answer for that. Right? Yeah. Next problem. If V bar is equivalent to 2yz I bar plus 3xz j bar plus 4xy k bar, then del dot del cross V bar is. That is the answer question. So directly you will have the answer of what? Del dot del cross V bar is equivalent to 0 directly. From what? No need to calculate vector identity. That's it. No need to calculate that. Am I right or not? So that is the part of that criteria. Getting what I'm saying there? Clear? Yeah. Next, let me take. You can try these problems. I'll give a homework for you guys. Yeah. Take a question. If the vector function f bar is equivalent to ax cap means what? Sorry, a suffix. This is. Don't get confused. Means I bar only. Ax cap into 3y minus k1z plus ay cap into k2x minus 2z plus minus az cap into k3y plus z is irrotational. Is irrotational. Then K1, K2, K3 R dash. This is the question mark. Don't get confused. Cap means this is with respect to I bar, this is with respect to J bar, this is with respect to K bar. Am I right or not? So based upon that. So if it is irrotational means what ma? Irrotation means what? Curl. So del cross F bar is equivalent to what? 0. So calculate that del cross F bar here. Del cross F bar is nothing but what ma? I J K bar. So I bar J bar K bar dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. So your value will be what ma? 3y minus K1 z. Next K2x minus 2z. Next K3y plus z. So this you have to make it equivalent to 0. So try to do that. What you will get there? Try to do that ma. It's a simple thing only. So I into dou y by dou x, dou y by. So this will be what ma? K3. Next z will be what? Plus 2 will be there. Am I correct or not? Yeah, is it plus or minus? Yeah, actually that value will be what ma? Yeah, this is a minus ma. See, K bar is nothing but what? Minus only na. Am I right or not? See, here this is a minus 3, minus K3 and minus Z ma actually. Because this value will be minus. So don't get confused. So now we'll have it as what here in this? Minus 3 that. Okay, yeah. Next minus J bar, that is I bar. Next minus J bar will be what ma? J bar into this. X means what? There is nothing. So 0. Next it will be Z. So plus K1. Am I right or not? Next plus K bar into what? X means K2 will be there. Y means minus 3 will be there. Am I right or not? So this will be that thing. If you make it equivalent to 0, your K3 value will be what ma? 2 and K1 value will be 0. Your K2 value will be 3. This is the answer for that. Clear? That is how you can able to solve it. Am I right or not? Yeah. These are all your previous questions only here. So that is the reason why I am concentrating this. Next problem. Curl of a vector vector v of x comma y comma z is equivalent to 2x square I bar plus 3z square j bar plus y cube k bar at 1 comma 1 comma 1 at 1 comma 1 comma 1 is dash. You just take it as a homework. So many models you've done. The answer for this is, that is del cross curl means what ma? Del cross v at 1 comma 1 comma 1 is equivalent to minus 3 I bar. You people will have it as. Check it out. That you take it as a homework. Okay. That you just take it as a homework ma. So likewise the problems you can able to solve it. Okay. Yeah. So you can do those problems by your own also, not an issue. Some more problems will be there. You can solve it as. Getting what I'm saying there? Yeah. So this is about your vector differentiation. Next topic will be the vector integration. So in this vector integration, you people will have what? 3 different things. Line integral, surface integral, as well as your what ma? Volume integral. Am I right or not? So EC and triple guys, maybe you people studied this in your EMTL subject, but I need to concentrate. So anyhow you you can go through this. Don't get bothered. Okay. Yeah. Let me take the next topic, which is vector integration. Vector integration. So in this vector integration, first we will start with the concept of your line integral. First we will start with your line integral. Okay. So first let me start with the line integral. So take down again, just theory part will be there ma. Okay. Yeah. So take down An integral is evaluated over a curve. An integral evaluated over a curve is called as line integral. Is called as a line integral. Okay, yeah. So here let me take the concepts here. Let me consider if f bar of x comma y comma z is equivalent to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, right? Yeah, is a differentiable vector point function, is a differentiable vector point function defined at each point on the curve C, then its line integral over the curve C is integral C f bar dot dr bar is equivalent to integral C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. So this is the part of your line integral. Clear with my point? Yes or no? So then we can take an example so that you will have an idea how you will calculate this line integral. Am I right or not? So I'll explain that with respect to your problem. So let me take that problem here. How you have to calculate? Nothing same as it is. See, normal integral how you people have done. Then how you extended that for complex integration. So normal integral means only you will have real values. Complex integral means what? Both real as well as your imaginary axis. Then vector integration is nothing but what? With respect to the direction you will do it as. That's all. Nothing more complication here. Okay. Yeah. So let me take this. The value of integral C f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equivalent to 3x y I bar minus y square z bar, and C is a curve y is equivalent to 2x square. C is a curve y is equivalent to 2x square. Joining the points 0, 0 and 1, 2. This is the question they had given. They want this one. So which is a line integral. Am I correct or not? So you know that line integral will be what, ma? Integral C f bar dot dr bar from the line integral, which is nothing but what? Integral C f1 into dx plus f2 into dy plus f3 into dz. So this is the line integral. Am I correct or not? So which is a Cartesian form. Am I correct? Yeah. So now what they had given? If I take this one, this is nothing but what, ma? This is your what? This is your f1 I bar. So j bar means f2 will be there. So there is no f3 value. So directly you substitute these things. What you will have as integral C 3xy into dx f1 dx plus f2 dy. So minus y square into dy. If you are having z, that also you will include it as. Am I correct or not? Yeah. So this integral you have to calculate as. But the given what, ma? The curve will be what? The curve given curve is equivalent to what? Y is equivalent to 2x square. So on the points also they mentioned. Okay, if you solve, you will have this equation only. So you know the line equation. So for this you will have it as what, ma? Dy is equivalent to what? Dy is equal to what? 4x into dx. So just substitute these things. So integral close integral C 3x, y will be what ma? 2x square into dx. I'm just converting all in the form of one thing. Next y square will be what ma? Y square will be what? 2x square whole square into dx will be what? 4x into dx will be there. Am I correct or not? So what will happen? All the things which is happens with respect to x ma, but given the points is nothing but what? 0, 0 and other one will be what? 2. So your x is varies from where? 0 to 1. So my limit will be what ma? 0 to 1. Yeah, this is will be what? 6x cube, then 6x cube dx minus this will be what ma? 4x power 4, again it will be this. So 4 into 4 is 16, 16x to the power of 5 into dx. Am I correct or not? Yes or no? Yeah. So now for this, do the integration. Then this you know that. So 6 into x power 4 by 4, limits will be 0 to 1 minus 16 into x to the power of 6 by 6, limits will be 0 to 1. So now if you change this, you will have it as what? 0 to 1 if I substitute as a 6 divided by 4 minus a 16 divided by 6. So if you calculate, you will have the answer is 7 by 6. 7 by 6. So try to check it out. Right. You will have the answer for this is what ma? You will have the answer for this is what? Sorry, minus, you will have more than, no. So minus 7 by 6 you will have it as. Check it out. You will have minus 7 by 6. You will have a minus 7 by 6. That is the answer for that. Clear with my point? That is how you people have to solve the line integral. That's all ma. Simple in a way that. Right. So can you try one more problem based upon this? Can you try previous question? Yeah. The value of the line integral. The value of the line integral f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equal to x square I bar plus y square j bar along the curve C, which is a straight line, joining 0, 0 and 1, 1 is dash. This is the question they had given. Okay, yeah. How you will solve it as? They given f bar, f1, f2 only, similar to your thing. The points they had given it as what? This one. So line equation, you know that. What is your line equation? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 will be there. So just try to substitute this. So y minus 1, which is equal to what? Y2 minus y1. So y2 minus y1 is nothing but what ma? See, this will be x1, y1, don't get confused. This will be x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, 1 minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1, 1 minus 0 into x minus x1 will be what ma? 0 will be there. Am I correct or not? So you will have it as what? Sorry, I think y minus y1. y1 is here, it is 0, I think so. Yeah. If you solve it, you will have y equal to dx. Y is equal to x. From that, dy is equal to what ma? Dx you can do it as. So now if I go with my line integral. So if I go with my line integral, that is f bar dot dr bar is equal to what ma? You will have it as what? Integral, you will have f1 dx, f2 dy will be there. So only two things will be there. So that is the reason I had to written ahead. So which is close integral c x square into dx plus what? Y square into dy. Now all the things I will convert into form of x only. Am I right or not? So which is 0 to 1 x square dx. Then what is y ma? Y is same x. So x square into dx. So we'll have it as what? 2x square. Integral 0 to 1 2x square dx will be there. So commonly you will do the integration. You will have it as what? 2 into x cube by 3. If I substitute the limits 0 to 1, you will have it as what ma? 2 divided by 3. So the value is what? 0.66 is the answer for that. Getting what I'm saying there? Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Yeah. Next, similarly, can you try? Can you take this one more question? Can you take one more? Yeah. So let me take this one. Given f bar is equivalent to x square minus 2y into I bar minus a 4yz j bar plus a 4xz square k bar. Right. The value of the line integral the value of the line integral C f bar dot dr bar along the straight line which is nothing but what, 0 comma 0 comma 0 to 1 comma 1 comma 1 is dash. This is the question. Similar to your earlier two problems only. So the given straight line f. So now they are given what, three things: f1, f2, and f3 they had given. Am I right or not? Yeah. So for this, what do people have it as? Take it out there. Straight line. So from this C they given 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So directly you will have this as what? X is equal to y is equal to z with your earlier. So from this you can have it as what? Dx is equal to dy is equal to dz. So directly you can go with the line integral. So line integral f bar dot dr bar is equal to, directly all you will take it as what, in terms of x only. So 0 to 1 f1 dx. So that is x square minus 2x into dx. Next plus you will have it as what? Minus 4 into x square into dx. Next plus 4 into that x square. So you will have it as what, x cube. So plus 4x cube into dx. So for all just if it is possible you can just go through this. So check it out here. It is 0 to 1, yeah, x square minus 2x minus 4x square plus 4x cube will be there into dx. This is a common term. So from this you will have it as what? 0 to 1, yeah, minus 3x square minus 2x plus 4x cube will be there into dx. So for this you can do the integration. Am I right or not? So after doing this integration you will have it as what? Minus 3 x cube by 3 minus 2 x square by 2 plus 4x power 4 by 4 from 0 to 1. So substitute the values in this. What you will have it as? Substitute that values in this. So you will have it as what? This 3 will get cancelled, 2 will get cancelled. So minus 1. Again you will have it as minus 2 plus 4. So which is nothing but what, Which is nothing but what? Sorry, this will be again what, This 4 also will get cancelled. This will be what? 1. So you will have it as what? Minus 3 plus 1. Is there any problem? Sorry, this is also what, See, after doing this 3, 2 will get cancelled. Limits only directly I have to substitute as. So this minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Your answer will be what? Minus 1. Sorry. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the problems based upon your what, the line integral. Clear with my point? Yes or no? Yeah, let me continue with that. We will take the Green's theorem in a plane recording this. So let me take Green's theorem in a plane. Okay, let me take the statement here. Let capital M of x comma y. It is related to your exact equation. Yeah. Let capital M of x comma y and n of x comma y be continuous functions having continuous first order derivatives, continuous first order partial derivatives defined over the closed region, capital R, bounded by a closed curve C, then closed integral C m dx plus n dy, which is equivalent to double integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. So this is the Green's theorem statement. So here we will calculate the double integral. Am I right or not? Yeah. So you will get an idea. Let me take a problem based upon that. The value of integral c e to the power of minus x sin y dx plus e to the power of minus x cos y dy, where c is a rectangle, with the vertices 0, 0, pi, 0, pi, pi by 2 and 0, pi by 2 is dash, and they given the options also. Option A, 2 into e to the power of pi plus 1, B, 2 into e power minus pi plus 1, C, 2 into e power minus pi minus 1, D, e power minus pi minus 1. This is the question they had given, right? So if you observe, integral m dx plus n dy. So this is your m, this is your n. So by Green's theorem, that value you can directly do it as. Am I right or not? So they given the vertices actually. What are the vertices? You just try to check it out. It's a rectangle, they told that. So if I sketch the rectangle, this is x, this is y if I take it as. The rectangular thing will be, this is 0, 0. The next one will be what? Suppose if I take here, which will be what? Pi, 0. And the other one will be what? Pi, pi by 2 if I take it as. Then the last one will be, this is 0, pi by 2. So this is the rectangle. So based upon that, you people will have a rectangle. So try to check it out. Right. So this is a rectangle. So this you are going to calculate. Am I correct or not? Right. So this you take it as a C1. This you take it as a C2. This you take it as a C3. This you take it as a C4. So 4 parts you people are having. So based upon that, you need to calculate this. So from that, what is your m? You actually, m is nothing but what? Minus e power minus x. M is nothing but what? E power minus x sin y. And n will be what? E power minus x cos y will be there. Am I right or not? Yeah. What is dou m by dou x? Dou m by dou y is nothing but what? E power minus x cos y. Similarly, dou n by dou x, because you have to apply what? The Green's theorem. So minus e power minus x into cos y will be there. Am I correct or not? Yeah. So by Green's theorem, you will have what? Closed integral c m dx plus n dy. This you can represent as what? Double integral r dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy will be there. Am I right or not? So now double integral you just apply it as more. What is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y? From this you can take it as directly. What is that? Dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, which is dou n by dou x is what? Minus e power minus x cos y, then minus e power minus x cos y. So which is minus 2 e power minus x cos y. This is dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. This value directly I am substituting here. With respect to x and y limits. So here if I take this one, this is minus 2 e power minus 2x cos y, which is having what? Dx dy. So x is equivalent to 0 to pi, it is varies, and y is equivalent to what? 0 to pi by 2, it varies. Right? So just double integral. That's all. If you calculate the double integral for this, that gives your answer. So what is this? The minus 2 I am taking outside. So initially with respect to x I will do, then I will go with y. So 0 to pi by 2. So cos y is a constant. Yeah, e power x different integration is e power x minus x divided by 1 minus 1 0 to pi into dy will be there. So substitute it. Minus 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2. That minus, if I take this here, right, this will be plus, right, yeah, cos y into e power minus pi minus e power 0 into dy will be there. So which is 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 e power pi minus 1, that I can bring outside directly. This is nothing but what? 2 into e power minus pi minus 1 I can bring outside. Then into cos y dy will be there. So now 2 into e power minus pi minus 1. Cos y integration will be what, ma? Sin y from the limits. The limits will be what? 0 to pi by 2. So sin 91, sin 0, 0. So you will have it as what, ma? 2 into e power minus pi minus 1 into 1 minus 0. So again you will have the answer as what? 2 into e power minus pi minus 1. This is the particular value. So which option? Option C is the right answer. Clear with my point? So simple strategy, that's all. Nothing more complication here. Right? Yeah, that is how you people have to solve it as. Can you try one more problem based upon that? Can you try one more problem based upon that? Yeah. So let me take that problem. Next problem. The value of integral C y minus sin x into dx plus cos x into dy, where C is the curve, bounded by what? X is equal to 0 to pi by 2 and y is equal to 0 to 2x by pi is dash. In the problem itself they given you what, directly? They given what? The limits. Am I right or not? Yeah. So how you people will solve this one? This is your m, this is your n. So what is your dou m by dou y? Dou m by dou y is what? 1 and dou n by dou x minus sin x. From this, dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y, which is equal to what? Minus sin x minus 1. This you can take it as what? If I take minus as a common, I'll have here what? 1 plus sin x. So by Green's theorem, yeah, that integral will be what, ma? By Green's theorem, that integral will be what? Directly I am representing integral 0 to pi by 2 x, 0 to 2x by pi y value. So minus of dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y. Directly I am substituting because earlier problem I done. So minus of 1 plus sin x into, you will have it as what? Dy dx. So try to solve this. Minus if I take outside, integral 0 to pi by 2. Yeah, with respect to this, with respect to y I am doing. So hence that 1 plus sin x is a constant, right? So into y from 0 to 2x by pi into dx will be there. So substitute that limit. Yeah, minus of 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus sin x into, yeah, only you will have it as what, ma? 2x by pi into dx. That pi I am just taking here. So minus 2 by pi will be constant outside I am bringing. Yeah, integral 0 to pi by 2 x, you will have it as what, ma? X plus x sin x into dx. So this integration I am giving the work for you guys. So do the integration by parts, you can do it as. So minus 2 by pi, if you do that integration, you will have it as what? This value will be pi square by 8 plus 1, you will have it as. Check it out. So minus 2 by pi into pi square by 8 plus 1. This is the answer. That integration I am just giving for you guys. Okay. Yeah. That is the part of that problem. Clear? Getting what I am saying there? Yeah, that is the part of that criteria. Okay. So now let me take some more problems. Right. I'll just take you one more question as a homework. Shall I give you one question as a homework? Yeah, let me take the question as a homework. This problem is homework. Yeah, take down the value of integral c 3x square minus 8y into dx plus a 4y minus a 6xy into dy, where c is a curve bounded by x is equal to 0 to 1 and y is equal to x square to root x is dash. This is the question. So same as it is of your earlier model only. They given m, they given n, and the limits also they had given. Just you have to apply the Green's theorem. So your answer will be, try to do that. If you are not getting, I will give the solution. So try to do that. You will have the answer as 3 by 2. You will have the answer as 3 by 2. But my point, yeah, this is how you people have to solve the questions based upon what? The Green's theorem, right? Yeah. So maximum questions they will ask you in such a way that, yeah, next we'll go for the surface integral. Next topic will be surface integral. Okay. Yeah, let me take, if f bar of x comma y comma z is equivalent to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar is a differentiable vector point function defined at each point on the surface S, then its surface integral is given by integral c f bar dot ds bar is equal to integral s into f bar dot n bar into ds. So this is the thing. Okay, this is the surface integral. Clear up my point, where n bar is unit outward drawn normal to the surface. Normal to S means the surface. Normal to the surface. Getting the point. Am I right or not? So in Cartesian form, suppose if they had asked you in the thing, in Cartesian form, you can represent this as integral f bar dot n bar ds will be integral s into f1 dy dz plus f2 dx dz plus f3 dx dy. This is in Cartesian form. Right? Yeah. That is the part of the surface integral. Right? Yeah, this is the part of your surface integral. Next, let me take the volume integral. The another one will be volume integral. So let me take that. So let phi of x comma y comma z let pi of x comma y comma z be a differentiable scalar, be a differentiable, sorry, something happened. Pi of x comma y comma z be a differentiable scalar point function, and f bar of x comma y comma z, f bar of x comma y comma z be a differentiable vector point function, over the region bounding a volume V, then its volume integral is given by integral V f bar of x comma y comma z into dv is equal to I bar into f1 dv plus j bar into f2 dv plus k bar into f3 dv. So this is the volume integral. Nothing more. Line integral means single integral, surface integral means double integral, volume integral means triple integral. That's all. Nothing more complicated here. Clear with my point? Yeah. So based upon that, you people have the different theorems. So based upon, you will have the different theorems. That is, one is Gauss divergence theorem, other one will be Stokes theorem. So that let me take this one. Gauss divergence theorem. Okay. Yeah, this Gauss divergence theorem is used to convert surface. It is used to convert surface integral to volume integral and volume integral to surface integral. This is the application of this. Okay. So let me take, let capital S be a closed surface. Let capital S be a closed capital X be a closed surface enclosing a volume V, and something happened for my pen, enclosed by a volume V, right, and f bar is equal to, that is f bar of x comma y comma z is equal to f1 I bar plus f2 j bar plus f3 k bar, be a differentiable vector, point function defined over the surface. Yes, then defined over the surface S, then surface integral f bar dot n bar into ds, which is equivalent to volume integral divergence of f bar into dv. So this is the The Gauss divergence theorem. So we are converting surface integral in terms of your what ma? Volume integral. So in Cartesian form, you can write that as, in Cartesian form you can write this as surface integral f1 dy dz plus f2 dx dz plus f3 dx dy, which is equivalent to volume integral divergence, means dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z into dv will be there. So this is in Cartesian. But my point, this is in the part of your Atma, the Cartesian form. Clear? Yeah. Next, in the same manner, just take the another one, which is the Stokes theorem also. So after that, we will solve the problems, right? Yeah. Next one will be the Stokes theorem. Next one will be the Stokes theorem. So the Stokes theorem is used for again conversion of your line integral to surface integral. Right? Yeah. So let me take that thing. Let S be an open surface. Let S be an open surface bounded by the closed curve. Bounded by the closed curve C, and f bar of x comma y comma z be a differentiable vector point function, defined at each point on the curve C, then closed integral C f bar dot dr bar is equivalent to surface integral curl f bar dot n bar into ds. So this is the Stokes theorem. This is the Stokes theorem. Got my point? Yeah. So if you want in terms of your Cartesian form, so in Cartesian form, this you can be represented as closed integral C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz plus f3 dz is equivalent to surface integral curl del cross f bar dot n bar into ds. So this is in Cartesian form. Okay, yeah. So these are the parts what you have to keep in your mind. So these are the theorems. So based upon that, you will calculate the problems. Okay. Yeah. So let me take a problems based upon this, so that you will have an idea. Yeah. The value of surface integral r bar dot n bar ds, where r bar is equivalent to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar, and S is a closed surface enclosing a volume capital V is dash. Option A V, B 2V, C 3V, D 4V. This is the question they had given. right? Yeah. So they given here what ma generally surface integral r bar dot n bar into ds. This I can represent as what? Surface integral r bar means what ma? Xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar into n bar. Am I correct or not? Into ds you people have it as. Yes or no? So what is the divergent generally? Divergent of r is nothing but what ma? This will be divergent of r bar is what? Dou by dou x. Yes? Am I right or not here? Divergent of r is nothing but what? If I take this f, f1, f2, f3, you will have it as what? Dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Yeah. So x1, y1, z1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but what? 3 will be there. That is the divergence. Am I right or not? And by Gauss divergence theorem, what do people know that? By Gauss divergence, this is the conversion. So by Gauss divergence, surface integral r bar dot n bar ds, which is equal to what? Volume integral of what ma? Divergence of your r bar into dv. What is the divergence here? What is the divergence here? 3. Am I right or not? So 3 integral dv will be there. So which is nothing but what ma? 3 into v. That's all, volume integral. So it is an application of your what? Directly. So the answer for this is what ma? 3v. Clear? Getting what I'm saying here? Yeah, that is how you people have to solve the things. Next, let me take one more problem. Yeah, the value of surface integral x dy dz plus y dx dy plus z dx dy, where capital S is a surface, capital S is a surface of, in that first one will be cylinder ma. First one will be cylinder, that is y square plus z square is equal to 16 and x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. Cylinder, you know that. Then next one will be what? Sphere. So sphere, that is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 25. That is dash. This is the question they had given. So directly by Gauss divergence theorem, you can convert na. By Gauss divergence theorem, they are asking what ma? Cylinder and sphere, volume integral only na. So by using this Gauss divergence theorem, you can convert these what? Surface integral in terms of your what ma? Volume integral. That's all or not? Yes or no? Yeah. So that is a Cartesian form they had given. By Cartesian form. So by Gauss divergence theorem, what do people have here? Divergence of this one. So volume integral I am converting. So volume integral of what ma? Divergence of f bar into what? dv you people will have it as. Again what ma? x1, y1, z1. So again what? 3 integral dv will be there. So which is having what? 3 into v. That's all. For each and everything you will, if you calculate a simple, that is what? The simple thing. So for first one will be what ma? Cylinder. So what is the area of volume? What is the volume of your cylinder? You know that cylinder volume will be what ma? 3 pi r square, pi r square actually, and it is multiplied by 3. So cylinder, what is the volume of your cylinder? Volume of your cylinder will be pi r square h. Volume of cylinder will be what ma? Pi r square h. Similarly, volume of a sphere. Volume of sphere is what? You will have it as what? 4 by 3rd pi r cube. 4 by 3rd pi r cube. Volume of sphere. Directly that's I am substituting it as. So substitute the values here. 3 into pi into r will be what ma? Radius only na? Yeah. That is 4 square. This is your what? R square only. R square will be 4. Am I right or not? 4 into h will be what? The height 0 to 2 they had given. So which will be h. So that is 2. If you calculate, you will have it as what ma? 96 pi will be there. Am I correct or not? Check it out. Check it out. So volume will be what ma? Cubic per meters. Similarly, second one. What is the second one? Again a 3v. So this is for cylinder, and then this one will be what, ma? Per sphere. What is this? 3 into 4 by 3rd pi r cube. So substitute that. 3 will get cancelled, ma. 3 will get cancelled. Yeah. So 4 into pi into r cube. So the value of your r will be what? 5. So that is 5 cube, which is nothing but what? 500 pi cubic per meters. So this is how you need to calculate the problems based upon your what? The divergence theorem. So many problems are there. So just try to solve now. Clear with my point? Clear? Yeah. Next. Next will be the value of, next problem, the value of closed integral C f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is equivalent to yz I bar plus xz j bar plus xy k bar, and C is a circle x square plus y square is equivalent to 4 in xy plane is dash. This is the question. So now this is an application of your what? Stokes theorem. Am I right or not? For line integral, you can go with respect to what, ma? This one. Am I right or not? So by Stokes theorem, you can represent here itself. By Stokes theorem, line integral is converted into surface integral. So that is f bar dot dr bar, which is equivalent to what, ma? Surface integral curl f bar dot n bar into ds. This you need to calculate it as. In order to calculate this, you have to calculate what, ma? Curl f bar. Am I right or not? So the value of your f they had given here. So this is your one. First let me calculate the curl of f bar. So let me take curl f bar. What is your curl f bar, ma? That is del cross f bar. So which is nothing but what? I j k dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou z. Then it will be what, ma? Yz xz xy. So try to do that. Check it out. Yeah. Substitute. Calculate this. You will have it as what? I into x minus j into y minus y plus k into z minus z. So curl f bar is equivalent to what? 0. So what is this? From equation 1. What you will have it as? This itself surface integral curl means what, ma? 0 dot n bar ds. The value is nothing but what? Directly 0. That's it or not? So this value will be what? Directly it is 0. So that is how you people have to calculate the problems. Okay. Yeah. So try to check it out. Yeah, these are the questions. Alright. So let me take some recent questions on these vector calculus. So let me take the question. Yeah, recent GATE 2020 question it is. So let me take for a vector field. For a vector field A bar, which one of the following is false? Which one of the following is false? So the given option, del cross A bar is another vector field. Del cross A bar is another vector field. Then B, A bar is solenoidal if del dot A bar is equal to 0. Next C, A bar is irrotational if del square A bar is equal to 0. Then option D, del cross del cross A bar is equivalent to del of del dot A bar minus del square A bar. So without putting a pen on paper, you can tell the answer this directly. That's all. They just consider a vector field A bar. Del cross A bar is another vector field. Correct only. A bar is solenoidal. Del dot A bar. So that is nothing but what? Divergence. A bar is 0. So hence it is correct. Then check it out. Irrotational. Irrotational means what? Obviously that del cross A bar must be equal to 0. That is curl if it is 0, then it is a statement. So but they had given what? Del square. So it is a wrong statement. Then it is from vector identity. This is also same. So from vector identity you can check it out. That is a vector identity. That statement is last identity. Okay, this is correct only. Clear up my point? You can check it out there. Okay, you don't get bothered. So this is GATE 2020. By seeing itself, you can tell the option C is the right answer. So that is C is false. A, B, D will be right, but C will be what? False. Clear my point? Yeah. So that is how you can able to solve it. So which is one more question, right? You can easily solve that. Am I correct or wrong? Yes or no? Yeah. Next, I am seeing another problems. Yeah, next problem. Let me take, this is also simple in manner. Let me take this problem. It's a good example. Yeah, let AX and AY be unit vectors. AX and AY be the unit vectors along X and Y directions. Along X and Y directions respectively. A vector function is given by f is equivalent to axy minus ayx, right? Yeah, the line integral of the above function, integral c f dot dl, okay, along the curve C, which follows the parabola y is equivalent to x square as shown below. Right, is dash. That is a question. They given the problem, diagram also. So let me take the diagram. So I'm just trying to give you this diagram. Yeah, this is x, this is y. So the curve they had given as, the line will be like this. This is the line. It's a parabola which comes here. It goes this one. So this is a curve C, yeah, up to this point. Okay. So the values also they provided here. This value will be 4, and this value will be 1, and this value will be -1. This is 0, and this value will be 2. This is the thing they had given. So now they are asking that line integral. So check it out, they given what? You need to calculate that value. Simple thing. What they had given? F bar is equivalent to what? Y into ax, or ax into y minus x into ay. So which is ax cap, ay cap. So this will be with respect to I bar. This with respect to what? J bar in our terms. Then what is your R bar generally? Xi bar plus yj bar, because only two things they had given. Am I correct or not? So now if I just simply replace this one, I will have here what? F bar is equal to, because to calculate this, so what will have it as? Yi bar minus x j bar will be there. Clear with my point? Yes or no? Am I correct or not? Yeah. So now if I calculate the line integral here, So the line integral C f bar, they given what? F bar dot dr or dl bar. Nothing here. Don't get confused. Yeah, dr bar, which is equivalent to what? Integral C f1 dx. Integral, sorry, there itself you can represent f2 dy. So substitute here. Same as is of your line integral my earlier case. So that x is varies from where? -1 to 2. All I'm just taking it as in terms of x. So x, that is nothing but what? Y into dx minus x into dy. Am I correct or not? The parabola, what they had given? The parabola y is equivalent to what? X square. Am I right or not? So from this, dy is equivalent to what? 2x into dx. So substitute that integral here. If I substitute that integral, what I'll get as here? X value will be varies from -1 to 2. I'm just converting in terms of x. So y is what? X square dx minus x into dy is what? 2x dx. So 2x square minus 2x square x square. So you'll have it as what? Minus of x square into dx. Am I right or not? Is there any problem? Somewhere we are stucking, I think. So yeah, minus x square dx will be there. From -1 to 2 will be there. So just substitute the limits and do the integration. So do the integration and substitute the limits. So minus of x cubed by 3, limits will be what? -1 to 2. So this -1 by 3 I am taking outside. 2 cube 8 minus 1 cube, minus of minus plus will be there. So 1 will be there. So -9 by 3 is the answer for that. Am I right or not? So that is, you will have what? -9 by 3, which is what? -3 is the answer. Is it simple or not? So simple only, GATE 2020 2 marks question. Clear? You can able to easily solve this. Is it clear or not? Yeah. Next, let me take one more problem. GATE 2020 only 2 marks question. Simple, if you understand the theory, the problems is very easy. Yeah, the vector function expressed by the vector function expressed by f is equivalent to ax into 5y minus k1z plus ay into 3z plus k2x plus az into k3y minus 4x. So represents, don't get confused, this ax, ay, az again iv, ij, k. Okay, represents a conservative field. Represents a conservative field where ax, ay, az are unit vectors along x and y, along x, y and z directions respectively. Directions respectively. Then the values of k1, k2, k3 are dash. Directly give me the given options, but I'm not giving this. You give me the values directly. Okay, yeah, I will do directly. See here, f they had given mark. This you know that you can have it as f1 f plus f2 plus this one. Conservative field. Conservative is nothing but what? Which is a irrotational. So conservative is also called as what? The irrotational. So in order to tell that point, I just chosen this problem. Okay. So conservative means irrotational. Clear with my point? Yeah. So if it is a irrotational means what? Del cross curl. Del cross f bar is equivalent to 0. So this is your conservative field. This is your conservative field as well as your what? Or you can call this as what? Irrotation. Right? This is irrotational. Am I right or not? So now calculate del cross f bar. What is your del cross f bar? And make it equal to 0. So which is I, j and k. So this is dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Yeah, this value will be what? 5y minus k1z. Next 3z plus k2x. Next, k3y minus 4x. This you have to make it equivalent to 0. So do this and make it equivalent to 0. What you will have it as? Yeah, which is equivalent to I into. So see this one more. I into with respect to y, that is a k3 minus z. So which is 3. Next, minus j into with respect to x minus 4. Z means plus k1. Am I right or not? Next, plus k bar into what? X means k2, y means minus 5. So if you make it equal to 0, you will have it as what? K3 is 3 and k1 is what? K1 is 4 and k2 is equivalent to 5. So this is the k1, k2, k3 values. So check it out. K1 is a 4. They will have given option ma. That option you can choose it as. Okay. So k1 is a 4, k2 is a 5 and k3 is 3. So that is how you people have to solve this. Clear with my point? Yeah. Getting what I'm saying there? Yeah. Give me some time. I'm just verifying that if any problem is there. Yeah. Next problem. Again, it is a 2 marks question. The directional derivative of f of x comma y comma z is equivalent to x y z at a point minus 1 comma 1 comma 3 in the direction of vector I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar is. This is a simple question again. 7 by 3, 7 minus 7 by 3 and d 3i bar minus 3j bar minus k bar. This is the question they had given. Again, 2020 2 marks question it is. So they given the field that is this and the point. So what is your directional derivative generally? Directional derivative is nothing but what ma? Del. Here they had given with respect to f. So del f dot a bar by mod a bar. So this is f. The value of this will be what ma? A bar. So try to do that. What is your del f here? Del f is equivalent to what ma? Dou f by dou x. Am I right or not? So what is that? Del f is nothing but what ma? Dou f by dou x into I bar plus dou f by dou y into j bar plus dou f by dou z into k bar. Usually we will calculate in terms of pi ma, but they had given this one. So calculate this. What you will have it as? With respect to x, you will have it as what ma? Yz into I bar plus with respect to y, you will have it as what? Xz into j bar plus what? Xy into k bar. Right. So what is the del f? They asked given what ma del f at a point. What the point they had given? Minus 1, 1 and 3. So substitute it. You will have it as what? 1 into 3 into I bar plus x will be minus 1 into 3 into j bar plus minus 1 into 1 into k bar. So that is equivalent to what ma? 3i bar minus 3j bar minus k bar will be there. Am I right or not? Yeah. So then directional derivative will be what? Your directional derivative, which is equivalent to del f. Del f is nothing but what ma? 3i bar minus 3j bar minus k bar. The dot product between a bar is nothing but what ma? I bar minus 2j bar plus 2k bar divided by mod. So which is nothing but what? 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square. So do the dot product between this. 3 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 into 2 divided by root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So which is equivalent to what ma? 3 plus 6 minus 2. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 minus 2, 7. 7 divided by root 9, which is 3. So answer is what ma? 7 by 3. Which option? Which option? Option A is the right answer. This is the simple problem. Am I right or not? So in such a way that you people have to solve the problem regarding that. Clear? Getting what I'm saying there? Yeah, these are the questions based upon your vector calculus recent year questions actually. So you can solve the problems based upon this. Clear? Yeah. So this is about your engineering mathematics if at all you have any doubts regarding this, suppose if I had given you the homework problems, if you are not getting, you just ask me WhatsApp, I will send you the solutions. Okay, clear with my point? Yes, I hope you people are following these criteria. So this will help you a lot, right? So to solve the things in the concept of your engineering mathematics. So if time permits for you guys, we will make a live session based upon your convenience and my convenience. Okay, so problem session and doubt solving session also will keep it as, right? Yeah, this is about your vector calculus. Thank you all. Right, thank you.